activities.
So again,
Framework activities are 5. First one is communication, planning, modeling and construction and deployment. First one is communication. Communication is a water water equipments and planning activities projects. Second one is planning. We have discussed about to planning what they have to do the project, like analyze the time and budget and cost, etc. Third one is modeling. Modeling is nothing but a design and model of the project. Next one is
construction.
construction. Construction is code generation and testing. Fifth one is deployment. Deployment is we construct the project and deliver the customer and users. Thank you.